Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First question, love your honesty in videos, Vanessa. What do you think about Poshmark allowing free people to sell directly on Poshmark now? Does this mean it'll be even harder to sell free people ourselves as resellers? I mean, how can we compete with free people themselves? So I saw this going around Instagram. Somebody posted that there was a free people Poshmark account, and like this person, you know, this other person was kind of freaking out. They're like, what the heck? What's going on? And then I saw that somebody had emailed Free People Corporate, and the Free People, if I can find the screenshot, I will insert it in this video. But somebody from Free People Corporate said that that is actually not an official Free People account, because I think the closet name is like Free People. But yeah, they said that's not an official Free People account. It's actually run by one of their employees. So it's just like a personal closet from an employee. I don't know if they're getting clothes at a discount and then selling them. I don't know. But yeah, it is kind of misleading because you see the username Free People and you automatically assume like it's the brand, you know? Actually, I'm gonna check to see if it's still, active. Yep, so the account is still active. And then their first listing, it says meet your Poshers. It says, welcome to the official Free People Poshmark store. Sarah and Maddie are the Free People duo who have teamed up to bring you a selection of hand-picked Free People products. Sarah has been a visual merchandiser since 2011. Maddie started working in 2017. So it's two employees from the store. It's not, I mean, it's official Free People Poshmark store. That's very misleading, but it's just run by two of the employees, and it's not like the official brand store. And I mean, they do have things at a discount, so yeah, they definitely are probably using their employee discount and then turning around and selling stuff. I want to see if they have like, oh, they do. I was gonna say, I want to see if they have like multiples, like different sizes of clothing, and they do. Okay, yeah, so that's very misleading. This looks legit like it's run by Free People. But according to this email, which I hope I find a screenshot, it's not, so. Next question is, thanks for the video. By the way, what new mic did you go with? Talking about the microphone for my new camera, because I was having audio issues. I got the Rode Video Micro. I will link it down below. I got mine from Best Buy. I think it was 60 bucks. I know that it is on Amazon too for like a few bucks cheaper, but I will link it down below. And so far, I'm really loving it. Okay, next question. When you said that Google search likes one paragraph, should we leave out punctuation like commas, periods, etc.? Or can we at least separate by commas and periods? Also, do you think we should just put measurements in the paragraph? All my listings are a list, so I'll need to change them all. I have 300 or so. My sales have been really slow. I'm going to change them up and let you know if my sales go up. So she's talking about a video that I made talking about Poshmark listings and SEO tips and tricks. Some info that I took away from PoshFest was that your listing descriptions should be one paragraph. There shouldn't be like line breaks. Do include punctuation, definitely. I didn't mean just one big paragraph with no punctuation or anything, like just a bunch of words. I meant like a paragraph with punctuation. So definitely do that. I'm like you, I have to go through all of my listings and change them up because I do have line breaks in them. I have yet to do that because it's a task. I have over 500 active listings now, so I'm just like, meh. So yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing, and I will report back to you guys and let you know if that seems to have made a difference. Next question. Hey, I have a quick Poshmark question. I was wondering if I can promote my Instagram account that is for my Poshmark on Poshmark. Yes, absolutely you can. You can connect social accounts on Poshmark. One thing that I have started doing recently is actually sharing my listings to my Pinterest account. I have a Pinterest account. Like 99% of it is private because I just make boards for myself, basically like inspiration for myself. But I have made a Poshmark board on there, and I have started putting my listings on Pinterest just to kind of see if it makes a difference. Because right now I'm on, obviously YouTube, but I'm on Instagram as well. I kind of sort of promote my Poshmark on Twitter. Like I have a Twitter account that I've had forever, since like 2008. So yeah, I kind of sort of promote it on Twitter and then not really on Facebook, but I'm trying to promote Poshmark more on social media accounts just to see what happens. But yes, absolutely, you can promote your Poshmark Instagram on your Poshmark Yes. And next question. Hey girl, thanks for the videos. I just wanted to share with you what happened to me on Poshmark today and ask you if people act this way to you. A person bought a purse from me and within an hour canceled because I didn't thank her right away. Well, the truth is I have 3 kids at home doing remote learning and have to put them first, and I do my work later in the day. I would have thanked her, but she didn't give me enough time and wrote an ugly message on my page too, that I'm not a nice person. And then she showed a screenshot of this person's comment and it said, I canceled my order. Too bad you're not a friendlier person. I seen, oh my gosh. That is one of my like pet peeves, is not grammatically correct at all. I seen. No. I saw. You saw. You didn't seen. You saw. Anyway, I seen you followed me, but never thanked me for a purchase. In today's world, don't take a buyer for granted. Not with too much competition elsewhere. I will spend my $20 in another closet. Have a great day. Literally within an hour, like, because you didn't thank her right away. I would just laugh about that and just move on. You know, it's not like she had a huge purchase. I haven't had anyone act this rude to me. This is definitely a first that I've seen, but yeah, that's ridiculous. I don't thank all of my buyers for their purchases. I thank them when they, you know, receive their packages. I don't automatically go on Poshmark and thank them. And that doesn't make me a bad person or ungrateful. It means I'm busy as fuck and I can't do that, you know, just like you. You know, you were busy, you couldn't do it. Unfortunately, you will get assholes like that, but it's best just to have a little chuckle and just move on. Okay, next question. Do you edit and list from your phone? I'm fairly new at this and from the older generation, so I appreciate any help you can offer. Love, love, love your personality and your videos. Thanks in advance. Oh, thank you, Lynn. So yes, I do like 99% of everything from my phone. I list, I share, I send offers. I pretty much do 99% of everything from my phone. The only time I will use my computer is to share sometimes. I like listing from my phone because I think it's just easier. I take the pictures with my phone, so the pictures are already on there. I don't need to transfer them to a computer or anything like that. Also, sometimes I use my iPad, but it's mostly on my phone. And last question. Love your videos. Think you are a rock star. Homeschooling, reselling, and a YouTube. Don't have any idea how you do it, and so beautifully. You guys are seriously so friggin' sweet. Like, Erica, you are awesome. I am just curious why List Perfectly seems to bother people. Why does it matter if I hypothetically used List Perfectly to list on multiple platforms? The reason why it's frowned upon is because Poshmark doesn't allow it. The reason why Poshmark, well, we're trying to get to the bottom of this. I mentioned in a previous video that I am trying to get some info from Casey, who is Rockstar Flipper. He said he has like a personal contact with Manish or somebody high up in Poshmark, and they'll be able to tell us once and for all if cross-posting WAPs. No. I was gonna say website and then app, and then the word WAP came out of my mouth, and now that disgusting song. Moving on. We're trying to get a final answer as to whether or not cross-posting websites and apps are okay to use with Poshmark. Hopefully we're going to get to the bottom of this soon, because it's so annoying to get one answer and then somebody else gets another answer, and then I'm telling you guys the answer that I got and then somebody else is saying, oh no, I got this answer. I'm just like, eh. Also, another thing is, why would Poshmark want you to use these websites when it allows you to post on other websites? Like, Poshmark wants you to post on their site. They say specifically in their terms and conditions, like, you can't, like in your listings, you can't mention any other websites. You can't take transactions off Poshmark. So why would they say, oh yeah, sure, go ahead, use this, and yeah, post to other platforms, post to Mercari. Mercari's our competition, but post to it, it's fine. You know, like, you know, I mean, obviously they cannot stop you. They can't stop you from cross-posting. A lot of people cross-post. From what I was told, it's not allowed. But hopefully soon we will get to the bottom of this, and as soon as I do, I will let you guys know. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.